The near field probe.
Wasn't so cheap.
No, it wasn't. No.
Do you remember the price?
No, 100, 200. I would guess like 200 euro. Near field probe. It depends. We've got a full set with this preamplifier and so on. And because it's highly sophisticated measurement equipment, it was not like 20 euro, but in the range.
You can also try to do your own coils.
Yeah, it also works.
Yeah.
But this preamplifier is quite good because it is a low noise floor.
Yeah.
So, more questions? So,
right.
If there's no more question, we say thank you for your attention, and it was a pleasure to come to Berlin.
Verbeugend, Thomas. I'm impressed.
I guess. Oh. I guess someone earned a beer or two, right?
Yeah. So this is the. What is your name?
Tora.
So this is the guy who succeeded in pressing the remote until the end of the talk, and of course you will get some prize. We need to share some beer. Thank you so much.